What's happening, folks? Kevin here from SportsBoxBreaks.com, coming at you live Wednesday, October 6th, 2021. It's release day of two pretty big products, Donruss Optic Baseball and Origins Football. We are going to be breaking right now 2021 Panini Donruss Optic Baseball. This is the 6-box break number 1. Who has who in the break? Arizona Diamondbacks going to Greg S. The Braves for Travis S. Orioles for Steve H. The Red Sox for Mark B. Cubbies for Bobby E. The White Sox, Jeremy B. The Reds for Robert G. The Indians going to Jacob N. The Rockies for Dave V. We got the Tigers for Mike DL. The Astros for Dave V. Kansas City Royals go to Robert T. We got the Angels and the Dodgers for Mike DL. The Miami Marlins for Robert G. The Brewers for Kentar. We got the Minnesota Twins for Zach P. The Mets for Nathan H. The Yankees, Mike DL. The A's for Brandon G. Philadelphia Phils for Steve H. The Pirates for Scott O. The Padres for Dean E. San Francisco Giants going to Jason M. Seattle Mariners, Mark B. The Cardinals for Mike T. Tampa Bay Rays go to Dean E. Texas Rangers, Jim W. Toronto Blue Jays for Natalino A. And the Washington Nationals going to Mark B. All right, one sec here, guys. I got to adjust my monitor. I have it way across the break table here, and that's not going to work too well. All right. Tony, what's happening, buddy? Tony is here. All right, let's see if that'll work. I think that'll work. All right, guys. So what you're looking at right there is a full sealed 12-box case of Donruss Optic. So what we are going to do is bust this guy open. There's the top seal. There's the bottom seal. Let's open it from the bottom so the boxes stand the correct orientation when I flip it. And we're going to go with one side of 6. I'm going to shuffle the other 6 boxes off to the side. That will be break 2. There they are. Move them up there. You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the other side makes 12. Executive decision. Let's go with the right side. The left side boxes, the other 6, these are going to be shuffled over to the side. That's going to be break 2, which is currently sitting at what? A handful of spots, not many. A handful of spots left in that one. All right, what do we got left in that one? 4 spots now left in break number 2. Braves, Astros, Twins, and the Nationals. Breaking it tonight if we could sell it out, guys. All right, one sec. 1 second. All right. Here we go, guys. Good luck, good luck. All cards, of course, do ship. Hot boxes in this stuff featuring autographs or 20 numbered prisms. 2 autos per box standard, right? 4 cards per pack, 20 packs per box. So a whole lot of packs, right? Let's do it. Here we go. First one. This one gained a lot of momentum in the last 24 hours. Everybody went crazy for it once checklists and stuff came out. All right, there's one of them. Let's start with one. All color, I will, at the very least, penny sleeve up. This is a disgusting hobby, Joe Buck. Well, thank you for your comments there, Joe Buck. I think anybody that's hanging out here would agree differently. I'm assuming you're spending beyond your means and getting skunked. So, Jeremy, what's happening, buddy? I see a rated rookie, Mackenzie Gore, right there. Well, Spencer, rated prospect. Sounds about right. All right, there we go. Box number uno. Jacob, yes, sir. This is Optic Baseball number 1. All right, hang tight one sec, guys. All right, here we go, here we go. Once again, all cards do ship for those that are new to our breaks. Every card, every time. You're looking for 2 autos. We're looking for all of our color. Any, big name guys, I will penny sleeve up after the, right after the break is up. We'll be encasing everything as well. All right, here we go, here we go. Not on Nightbots, watch. All right, Shane Bieber at the top here. We got a rated rookie, Nick Madrigal. So there you go. Jeremy, I believe, is the owner on the White Sox in this one, right? White Sox is Jeremy B. Nick Madrigal, rated rookie. Monte Harrison, rated rookie. Got a mythical insert of Javier Baez. Javier Baez, Randy Arozarena. Got a Joey Gallo, Diamond Kings. Little Frank Thomas, T-321. Those are the new style inserts, I believe, for this this year's release. So another Chicago insert there. Trammell rated rookie, Jeffries rated rookie. Diamond Kings of Brandon Lau. Rated prospect of Christian Robinson, Arizona. Jesus. And we got a Nate Pearson. Are these the hollows, right? You guys correct me. I'm seeing it for the first time right now. The rookies, Nate Pearson. Got a Pache, the rookies. Matt Chapman, Diamond Kings. Casey Mize, rated rookie. And here is it a red, white, and blue? Clark Schmidt, rated rookie. So Clark Schmidt to 199. Rated rookie. First bit of color, first numbered card. Mythical, George Brett Suarez. Varsho, rated rookie. Got a Stanton, T-321. Another one with the new insert style, Lights Out of Jacob deGrom. Pretty cool. Almost looks like, what, Miami Vice? Old school 80s kind of look. Campusano, rated rookie. Yelich, mythical. Woodruff, Vaughn, rookie. And here's Mike Soroka to go along. Another hollow, I believe, right? Arihara, the rookies. Diamond Kings of Harper. Otani. Alex Verdugo, red. Red for Boston. Those are numbered to 60. There we go. Boston. A red prism to 60. Here we go. Rated prospect of Spencer. Very nice. Detroit, and this one is owned by Mike DL. Rated prospect of Spencer. Glaber, Yastrzemski, Diamond Kings, Daniel Johnson, Mackenzie Gore, rated prospect. Santander, Diamond Kings. Giolito, Lights Out. Bregman, T-321. And here we go, our first one. It is going to be Miami on the board with one of 2 autos here. 95 out of 150, Trevor Rogers. That goes to Robert. Robert G. Rated rookie, purple. Trevor Rogers coming your way. Robert, congratulations, sir. Congrats. Francisco Lindor, mythical. Here's a Trevor Story. Is it silver or hollow? Unleashed of Pete Alonso. Pretty cool. Unleashed. Anthony Rizzo, Diamond Kings. And what do we got? The Pink Velocity? Yes, we do. We have a Joey Bart Pink Velocity rated rookie for San Fran. That goes to Jason M. Jason M. 193 of 249 on that one. Pink Velocity. Very cool. Prospect of Martin. Rated rookie, Jonathan India. Little Alex Rodriguez, mythical. Randy Johnson, Lights Out. Blake Snell. Max Scherzer, Lights Out. Scooble, and Altuve. And here comes our next one, guys. It's a retro. I believe this is going to be a retro auto for San Diego, which is going to Dean. Morejon for San Diego. That's cool. Retro Series Signatures. Adrian Morejon. Cool stuff right there, San Diego. Congrats to Dean. So that's our second auto. Let's see what else we got going in here. Little Keston Jerstad rated prospect silver. Unleashed Chris Bryant. Diamond Kings Ramirez. Mythical Trevor Story. Paul Goldschmidt. And Devers T-321. Are they all black border on the T-321s? I think they are. All right, box number 1 in the books, fellas. Not too bad. Pretty cool stuff. Not too bad. One sec here, guys. Okay. All right, it looks like Origins number 1 is fully sold out, fellas. Origins break number 1 fully sold out. That'll be coming up next. So we'll jump from baseball into new release football. We'll keep that going. All right, there's an empty box. So what are you guys up to out there? What is going on in your neck of the woods? Got one more of these filling up. That's all we have. And the Origins, we have one full 16-box case, which makes up 4 of the 4-boxers. If we can get all those going tonight, that'd be fantastic. Well, you, sir, are a good man. That is the right thing to be doing right now. Travis is out there being leisurely, so he can't even bust your balls about it. Although he may be creeping. He may be creeping and seeing it go down. Please tell me it's a Crunchwrap Supreme, because that is that's my favorite. You'd be yelled at otherwise. It is a Crunchwrap Supreme. You, sir, know what you're up to. You know what you're doing, my friend. All right, just a couple more packs here from box number 2. Yeah, the Crunchwrap Supreme is the best. Jay's out there somewhere because he just updated the spreadsheet up here. So he's out there. He's waiting in the wings. The way that our inventory shook out is all the releases for today that get done as breaks came here. Jay's got the football, though. So the certified football, the Elements football, the gold standard, if any of that stuff goes off, Jay's got it. I've got the Sterling. So, you know, we can, of course, do the shuffle from one side of the country to the other as things fill. 15% off all that football. Got to get it ready for winter. Get that extra layer going. All right, Aaron Judge at the top. Dalton Jeffries, Diamond Kings. Brandon Lau. Mythical of Eloy. Got a rated rookie. Sanchez, silver. Jim Tomei, T-321. Casey Mines, rated rookie. Rated prospect, Gonzalez. Matt Chapman, Diamond Kings. We got a Sixto. The rookies. Rated rookie. What do we got? A little Cabrera action. It was flipped upside down. 149 on that one. So Cabrera, Diamond Kings to 149. Bo Bichette, Mythical. Ramirez, that is a Diamond Kings. Got a Jesus. Garrett Cole, Lights Out. And here comes our first something. What do we got? We got a Spencer Howard. Spencer Howard, Philadelphia going to be on the board. That is, there we go. Little Donruss Optic Auto. Spencer Howard, Philadelphia. Going to Steve H. Very nice. Adley, rated prospect. Good stuff. Boston, rated prospect, silver. Unleashed of Soto. Yastrzemski, Diamond Kings. Santander. Abreu, T-minus 321. Aaron Judge, Pedro. Got a Bryce Harper, Diamond Kings. Mythical. Rhys Hoskins. All right, still do our second auto. Let's find some low number stuff in here too. Maybe something. And what do we got? Are these blue? Are these the Carolina blue or are these standard blue? I know the Carolina blue is a thing in here. So Logan Gilbert, rated rookie, and that is to 99. So is that the standard blue? The Carolina blue is like a different offset blue color. Lights out of Pedro, Bryce Harper, Philly, Monte Harrison, Rizzo, Diamond Kings. And here comes our next hit. It is going to be a rated rookie auto, Ian Anderson for Atlanta, which is Mr. Travis, who's off gambling right now. On-card ink of Ian Anderson, rated rookie. Atlanta Braves. Congrats to you, Trav. Hopefully you're doing well in the casino right now as well. Got a rated rookie of Travel. Unleashed of Bellinger. This is the Carolina blue, right? This is the Carolina blue, I believe. Daniel Johnson, Cleveland. That goes to Jacob N. And that is numbered 250. Very nice. Drew Waters, rated prospect. Got a Mookie Mythical and a lights out of Clayton Kershaw. All right, 2 boxes down. 2 boxes down. Box 3. Empty box. What do we got? 3 spots left in the next Optic. Origins break number 1 fully sold out, so that is coming up next. That SOB. How dare him? He popped in, when was it? Monday, and said that his casino sessions so far were not doing too great. So I hope it turned around for him. You know what is doing great? Bitcoin. Over 55K per coin today. I don't know where it is right now, but it was like 55 plus, and it kept increasing as the day's been going on, which is crazy. Booked the hotel for Atlantic City. Very cool. Nice. Lots of stuff already sold out. Holy cow. Well, that's nuts. $55.3, so it's teetering around that 55 mark. I mean, it's approaching its all-time high, which was just a little bit over 60. All right. Here we go. Next box. We'll be halfway through it once we get through this box. All right, we got Yadier at the top. Glasnow. Shane Bieber, lights out. So, one is a silver. I was like, what's the difference? One is a silver border, one's a white border. So, that's a silver prism version on that one. And that's the standard white border version. I had to do a double take there. So, interesting. So Cleveland in this one is Jacob N. Getting those Biebers. Brent Rooker, rated rookie. Cabrera, Diamond Kings, Dylan Carlson, Neon. All right, pretty cool. Neon, and that is a prism, right? Have we seen the Neon yet? I don't think we have, right? So St. Louis is owned by Mike T. Mike owns that St. Louis spot. Acuna Mythical, Diaz, Diamond Kings of Soto. And here comes a little something for the San Diego spot. Jorge Mateo. So San Diego getting another one for you, Dean. What do we got? Very nice. Rated rookie Jorge Mateo on card ink. Nice. San Diego on the board a second time for you, buddy. Congrats. Sandberg Mythical. Manoah rated rookie. We got a Rendon. We have an Unleashed of Acuna Jr. Very cool. Dalbec rated rookie. Bauer. And we have is this a black finite? What is this? To 149. What is our, I'm looking for the breakdown to see exactly what I'm looking at here. JT for Philly, that goes to Steve H. And again, 51 of 149 on that. Matt Manning, Jacob deGrom, we got the Votto Diamond Kings. Prospect of Yoelqui Cespedes. Jeremy, you got him in this one, right? You do. White Sox, Jeremy B. Signature Series, Luis Robert. Boom, buddy. Nice. Nice. Luis Robert action coming through. The Black Stars is to 149. Very cool looking card on that Black Stars, too. With that background, has the little sparkly stars going on. Signature Series, Luis Robert auto going off to Jeremy. Congrats. Awesome. Adley rated prospect. Got a Sandberg Mythical. Soto Unleashed and a Mike Trout right behind it. Kyle Lewis, Diamond Kings. Hunjin Ryu. Abreu, T-321. Aaron Judge, one of the same. We got the Pink Velocity coming up here. Diamond Kings of Acuna Jr. Then we got a Bo Bichette Pink Velocity for Toronto. That goes to Natalino. Numbering to 249. Bichette Mythical. Sam Huff, rated rookie silver. Garrett Cole Lights Out. What do we got? Texas. Jim Thome T-321. Vladdy Jr. Diamond Kings. We got Randy Arozarena Red, White, and Blue to 199. Rated prospect. Matt Manning rated prospect silver. Aaron Judge T-, and I think we're still due one auto, aren't we? Or do we get two of them already? Unleashed of Acuna Jr., and that is a silver version also, right? Pedro. Now I guess we did pull it all, right? We had 3 boxes so far, so we should have 6 autos. I'm losing track of my numbering. You're like, Kevin, but it's only number 6. Yeah. Let's see. 1 auto, 2 autos, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do have 6. Okay, we are on track. All right, here we go. Box number 4. I think Tommy K was saying that they booked like the very first day that you were capable of actually booking for the National. And that was like what? Just a few weeks ago. I'll have to look and see if I have any free rooms at the Caesars properties out there. And if so, I will book those up. Yeah, they give that group rate usually, right? We waited far too long on this last go-round, and you're staying at Caesars? Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, we waited far too long on the last go-round out in Chicago and ended up having to stay at that place. I mean, it wasn't very far away, but it was just like a pain in the butt. And it was a property that was probably really nice in the 70s. And in 2021 is showing its age. Which I feel is a common trend in a lot of those properties in Chicago. All right, here we go, here we go. Sliding around, these cards are slick. I see another pink velocity in this stack. What do we got? Eloy. Jim Tomei again. Vladdy Jr. Diamond Kings. A lot of them were probably constructed right around the time that, I don't even know, when was O'Hare Airport constructed? And that probably matches the time frames. Vladdy Jr. Mythical. Very cool. Joe Adell, the rookies. And here comes the pink velocity. Rated rookie of Shane McClanahan for Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay 249. Rated prospect. Got a Wander rated prospect silver, Tampa Bay. Pedro lights out. Diamond Kings of Devers. Prism version on that one. Tim Anderson. Here's a Trevor Story Diamond Kings. That's to 199. Jared Kelenic rated prospect. Kyle Lewis. Here comes, how about some Detroit action right here? Detroit going to Mike DL. Tariq Skubal to 75 coming your way, buddy. Rated rookie blue auto on card ink. Boom, very nice. Mike DL, congrats, sir. Shipping that one up to you in Canada. Brandon Lau, mythical. Brian Hayes, rated rookie, silver, unleashed of Bellinger. Votto. Here's another blue, Shane Bieber, blue, numbering to 99. Rated prospect, Drew Waters. Here you go, man. Unleashed silver version, right? Luis Robert. Clayton Kershaw, lights out. Alejandro, rated rookie. And here we go. How about a signature series of Leody Taveras? This one goes to Jim. Jim W. owns the Texas spot. There you go, Jim. Nice. Leody, signature series auto. For Texas. Jim W. gets it. A little bit left here. Adley, rated prospect. Vladdy Jr., T-321. Juan Soto unleashed. Miguel Cabrera. Rooker. Here's a Dansby. And the last one is an Abreu T-321. All right, we're down to boxes 5 and 6. All right, here we go. Box 5. Where are we at so far? 29 minutes, 40 seconds. Empty box. What was the per night rate, Jeremy, that you got through the National? I'm assuming they have, you know, like a group code or something, right? You know, of all the times I've been to Atlantic City, and I mean, it's been a lot over the years, I have never once stepped foot on the beach in that town. I mean, it's a beach town, but, you know, it doesn't have the best reputation for its beach. Plus, most of my trips there have been all casino-based, so tough to break yourself away from that sweet casino action to go hang out on the beach. I've been on the beach bar. For a while, you know, in the summer months, they have a lot of these beach bars. So those are kind of cool. But yeah, we have a little collapse here. Let's do that, and we'll do that. There we go. Here goes. $139 a night. That sounds pretty decent for Atlantic City casinos. That's all in also. All right, what do we got here? Jared Kalenic, rated rookie, and that is to 35. What is this velocity? Is it like Aqua? You tell me. I was looking at the names of the different ones earlier. So Seattle on the board to 35. That goes to Mark B. Congrats, Mark. Nice hit. Freeman, T-minus 321, and we got two of them in a row here. One of them is a Prism version. That is the Prism version. And then we have Stanton, the standard version. So there we go. Diamond Kings. And how about a Sixto? This is going to be to 50. Then 204 on the weekend, so varying prices. Yeah, that sounds right on par. Miami going to Robert G. 42 out of 50. Rated rookie auto. Orange. Nice. On card as well. Sixto Sanchez. Congrats. To Robert G. Nice hit. Tim Anderson. Mike Trout Unleashed. Guys, do me a favor. Give me a little thumbs up on the video. I don't know if Trolley McTrollerson was causing issues before. We got 6 thumbs up. Let's get that to 12. Nolan Arenado, red, white, and blue. 13.625 taxes. Yikes. Do they charge? It's been a long time since I've stayed in an Atlantic City casino hotel room. Are they charging resort fees there? Got an Anthony Santander. Prism, silver prism. The resort fees are up to $50 a night out here now in Vegas. Lights out of Roger Clemens, and then Tom Seaver lights out behind it. This is the Prism version, the Clemens. The Seaver is the standard. Alcuna Jr., Diamond Kings. Alcuna Jr., silver. Zach Veen, rated a prospect. Koufax, lights out. Whit Merrifield, Diamond Kings. Resort fees like $25 a night at Atlantic City. So that 139 and 20 something, that's with the resort fees, or that's before the resort fees. Ryan Jeffers, Minnesota. Freddie Freeman, T-minus 321. That's without. Gotcha. Joey Bart, the rookies. So you got the silver version and the standard version back to back here. So the rookies, Joey Bart, and then the rookies, Joey Bart. Xander, Boston, Prism. Roger Clemens, Nelson Cruz, Isaac Brittes, and what do we got? Michael Chavis, Boston coming up here. This is going to Mark B. There you go, Mark. Michael Chavis, Boston auto, coming your way. And a little bit left here from box 5. Rated prospect of Kalenic. Mike Trout Mythical, Prism version, Luis Robert Unleashed. And here's another one of the, what are they called again? Black something stars. Anderson Tejeda, rated rookie. Texas, 102 of 149. I really love that background. The little sparkly background is super cool. And then, how about a Dominguez, rated prospect? I think that's the first appearance of Dominguez in this stuff. Rated prospect of Jason Dominguez. All right. So my, I have, and I don't have it through gambling, even though I do gamble a lot. I have Diamond Card with Caesars Total Rewards. I have it because I pay a yearly fee to this company called Founders Card, which is basically like small business. You can sign on for like $200 a year or something like that, and it automatically gives you perks like it'll upgrade your Hertz Rent-A-Car, your Hilton status, all this stuff. And one of the perks it gives you is Diamond Card status at Caesars properties, which automatically comes with a, they give you yearly like $100 dinner credit and some other stuff. So it actually works out, especially living out here in Vegas. But one of the perks is no resort fees. And you get, free rooms quite a bit from having the Diamond Card. So I'll have to see if I've got some freebies lined up for that particular period of time. We almost never gamble in these Caesars properties anymore. Living out here, you get to a point where you realize they're not a good deal. Like, they're not really, as a player, giving you that great of perks to go in and spend your money there. Ronnie Mauricio. All right, what are the two autos going to be, guys? We got two autos left to unearth here. The next Optic is down to, what, 3 spots, right? Let's get it sold out, guys. Breaking it right after the Origins football. Origins should take us all of about, 5 minutes. 4 boxes, and they're super small. So we can go right from Origins directly into the Optic number 2. All right, here we go. Last box, box 6. All right, Joey Gallo at the top, Alejandro. We got a Vladdy Jr., Diamond Kings, and that is to 76. So, Stars and Stripes, maybe? Is that the variation with the big flag going on in the background? Very cool. Toronto, and this one is Natalino. Mythical of Larkin. Got a Diamond Kings of Gallo. Here comes that black border with the stars again. Hyunjin Ryu, numbering to 149. Rated prospect, Liberatore. Mike Trout Unleashed, silver. Nolan Ryan, lights out. Brian Reynolds, Diamond Kings, Goldschmidt, mythical. I see our next hit. It's right there. It's facing me. As soon as we get to that section, that's going to be the auto. Trevor Larnach, rated rookie, silver. Matt Olson, T-minus 321. Brian Reynolds. Carlos Correa. Here comes a Pink Velocity. It is a Lucas Giolito. There you go, Jeremy. Another one coming your way. Pink Velocity. Giolito to 249. Trevor Rogers, rated rookie. Mariano. Rafael Devers. And here it is. San Diego's on fire. That's 3 autos, I believe, for San Diego. 3 out of 12 autos going to the San Diego spot. And Dean. Got a Baez Signature Series auto for San Diego. Congrats, Dean. Doing well. Keep going here. Ronnie Mauricio, rated prospect. We saw that one when we were busting through it. Sandy Koufax. That is a Prism Silver. Unleashed of Harper. Soto Mythical. Bagwell for Houston. And here it is. Zach McKinstry, Los Angeles. That is going to be on-card ink right there as well. Rated rookie for the Dodgers. And that one, I believe, might be the only call-out for the Dodgers so far. Mike DL on the ownership. McKinstry, rated rookie, on-card ink. Congrats to you, Mike. Mythical of Ramirez. Jimenez, rated rookie. What am I looking at here? I'm not exactly sure what this one is. You guys can tell me. It's a Marquez for the Cubbies going to Bobby. What is that crazy style? The rated rookie, I don't know. I'm going to wait for you guys to tell me exactly what it is I'm looking at. I'm putting it off to the side here. Neat looking card, whatever it is. Rated prospect of Abrams. Got a Nolan Jones, rated prospect silver. Jack Flaherty, Diamond Kings. Brian Anderson, silver. Joey Gallo, T-321. Yastrzemski, mythical. Giolito, lights out. Soroka, Arihara, Aaron Judge, Diamond Kings, and Alex Rodriguez, mythical from his Texas days. Guys, thanks again for getting it filled up. Again, all cards will ship to you. That was box number 6. I'll do a hit recap in a separate video here in a minute, and these will ship out of the next shipping batch from Vegas. Thanks again, guys.